Hi, I am Maki. When you are in Japan, trains are one of the main ways to get around. If you are planning a trip to Japan, travel with train is a must-do activity. Japan has an extensive and very efficient rail network. You could assume that trains go almost everywhere you would like to visit. Japanese trains are clean, comfortable, and unbelievably punctual. The average delay to a high-speed Shinkansen train is measured in seconds. Train travel in Japan is really easy, fast, and most important, convenient. If you don't know Japanese language, it is not a problem as well. Stations have signs and departure board in English as well as Japanese. Today we are going to show you how to buy train tickets in Japan. That is the first thing you have to do before heading to your accommodations. There are 4 ways to buy train ticket in Japan. You could buy train ticket at a self-service ticket machine, buy train ticket at the ticket office, buy prepaid IC cards, or you could choose to buy a Japan Rail Pass. The most popular method of purchasing tickets for trains is using ticket machine located near the fare gates. Train ticket in Japanese is kitpu, kitpu, kitpu. It is easy to find the Japanese word kitpu in the train station, and you will know where to purchase your ticket for the journey. You should look for machine marked kitpu in the station. Ticket machine in Japanese is kenbaiki, kenbaiki, kenbaiki. So, how to use the train ticket machine? Buying an individual train ticket at the Japanese station might not come naturally to the first-time visitors. However, using ticket machine tend to be the preferred and faster option. Here we are going to show you how to use the train ticket machines. But before using the ticket machine, we should know our located station and what is our destination. We have to look at the giant wood mat above the ticket machine, find our destination station, and then see how much it costs to get there. For example, if now we are in Ueno Station and our destination is Ikebukuro, here you can see the fare is 160 yen from Ueno to Ikebukuro. If we are going to Shinjuku from Ueno Station, the fare will be 190 yen. If our destination is Harajuku or Shibuya, the fare will be 190 yen. So, every time before your journey, you better check the fare in advance from your located station. When we know the fare, now we could buy ticket from the ticket machine. There are many types of ticket machine depending on the area of Japan. We take this ticket machine as an example. When we have found the ticket machine, we could press the kitpu button. After you select kitpu, you will get a screen like the picture showing a series of pies. We could pick the appropriate fare on the screen. In our case, we go from Ueno Station to Ikebukuro Station, so we pick 160 yen. After selecting your fare, we could pay through the console, and the ticket will be printed out, make sure you don't forget your change. If you didn't bring your cash, there are some railroad companies that allow you to pay by credit card. If the ticket machine only accepts cash, you can go to the ticket office and buy a ticket with a credit card there. What is ticket office? If you really can't figure out the transportation network in Japan and think that's too complicated to you, there is a corner called Midori no Madoguchi where you could get information and purchase train tickets as well. Midori in Japanese meaning green, and Madoguchi could be meaning office, counter, or reception in this case. What is prepaid IC card? IC cards are rechargeable cards that can be used to pay fare on public transportation. That can be loaded with funds and used for public transportation at train station, metro station, bus depots, ferries, and cable cars. There are various IC cards in Japan, developed by different companies. Here are the examples of IC cards. They are Suica, Passmo, and Ikoka. The most famous IC card in Tokyo would be Suica. Let's use Suica as an example. Suica card can be purchased through ticket machine available at any JR East station. The process is similar to buy ticket, but this time we press IC card. And then you could press this button, meaning purchase a new Suica. Now, you could purchase one with your name or without your name. If you are a traveler, it is simply select Suica Card. Because it needs your phone number, if you choose My Suica, in case this time you don't have it. Then you can choose the amount of yen to put on your Suica initially. Anything from 1,000 yen to 10,000 yen is possible. Select the button of the Suica card you wish to purchase. If you choose the card worth 2,000 yen, the card itself will have a 1,500 yen charge. The cost of the card itself is 500 yen is a deposit. If you want to get better deposits after your journey, go to the ticket office, also known as Midori no Madoguchi, to get your deposits back by returning your Suica. Congratulations! Now the Suica card is ready to use right away. Now you do not have to worry about buying tickets each time you ride on trains, subway, or bus. If the Suica is empty, charge it at one of the ticket machines. Oh yes, so how to charge our IC card through ticket machine? It is simple. Charge in Japanese language is charge, charge, charge. Now we find the word charge like we bought ticket or IC card before. We press the IC card and then select charge, and then select the amount you are going to charge. If you are planning a trip with lots of destinations, JR Pass could be your choice. The Japan Rail Pass is a very cost-effective rail pass for long-distance train travel in Japan. The pass can be used only by foreign tourists and offer unlimited ride on JR trains for 1, 2, or 3 weeks at a cost. So how to exchange your JR Pass? First of all, remember that in order to activate and use your Japan Rail Pass, you can go to any of the JR office. You can find them on any Japanese international airports as well as on all the main train stations located across the country. Once at the office, you will be asked to show your passport and your exchange order. After all your personal data has been verified, you will be asked to select the activation dates of your pass, which can be within 30 days of the exchange date. Once your pass has been activated, you will be able to use it on all JR trains, bus, and ferry service. Now you get the ticket and then you could enjoy your journey. Enjoy your trip! Here were the method and the procedure of purchasing ticket in the train station, Japan. We hope that this video could help your journey and make your vacation a fruitful one in Japan. If you like this video, please thumb up our video and share to your friends. 一緒に頑張りましょう! See you next lessons!